free the appointment of Eric Tinkler.
Yeah.
This a bit me and some of the videos I Kotoko posting now. Any Jumaketua because
almost be a chassis no
pictures ni videos now ban. But say a barbecue training grounds there.
So basically the announcement of Tinklers.
Any pictures, the concept, graphics, you know. I want to talk about that. Because I mean I'm a fan of Sanyo Man. And I would decide not to voice over it. That would be so unfair to the team. I put up this exceptional concept. Nibo Kotoko ma a BBC standard video.
BBC.
Yeah, BBC standard.
British Broadcasting Corporation.
I think that if there is something even above that, video of Tinkler and how more yeah.
Welcome, Eric Tinkler.
Yeah, this
and the no atutini, the Eric no atutini.
Yeah, we'll come to this graphics, the concept, the idea, and the vision behind it. On say, Jibo, born park no so. We are supposed to be among the best when it comes to Africa. We are not there. Born near ball park no so. But there are other things and calling for Nyoma Bibri. If you pay critical attention, our man conscious effort, what the matter you can produce content ever match any world class team. A 100 year ya na enye hu bia sa. Unse ball no park no so de jibo ya na nhihye. But camera be use the auto camera ni bia obetime atwa video ni bi. Graphic designer no po bia wa kwa abruchira na obi ote Ghana wa ben obetime aye bi te se ono. Ghana say onkofu atwa movies. Onkofu a omoye documentaries. Ebi masua ade. Enim the basics ebe fit any standard be our call for. Say no so the enye den sa. It's a born in the intimi fi hon compare the Allies and the Pirates. And under no circumstance should you appoint two foreigners. Definitely people from their nation will have their eye on your team. Now be phone when it comes to media. And the movie or has seen Jibo Entiasia. By any papa, ya babe cambo abaso pa.
Obey Juma and Sweni.
Yeah, basa Entiasia. Wakofa Stanley Menzo. He's a legend when it comes to football. Europe. We trip to Muako Suriname about Jibo. At least your man for a best channel. Say Ghana for obu follow Kenya League before because of Sika Konoko Goma here. Internet or no abaha nasa who produce content around him and won't mean substandard ejuma bi obi entiasia. So akofa Eric Tinkler e dey free South Africa ba. Fortunately say South Africa for them some cabrofo. So they can easily get access to the content you are producing here. You are selling an image to people over there in South Africa. You enyen ko kra akọ South Africa but you respect them the brand Kotoko. Into a form who nipa banner some be pay attention to the club. Won't me be tweet video basa be am fan koto baby obi en hobeti ase. The standard of this video, the conversation, the cutaways, how almost say the audio interview alongside the key moment. I'll bet me a zoom video say the quality no jibo. One bomb about so next time I'm going to basana be candy you be unfair to them. I don't know who is behind this, but whoever is behind this, we want more. We want more of this. Jibo makao baby that mesa kawa ni panaye juma papa. From the introduction, video ni started kwan kro capture kurura. Edi share video na se no. So type your team first zoom in at the end the fade out. Edi buy. And who say we nya voice that see you. Where Tinkler was talking. But could be all not tia kunyem kakra time or ba be fa Kotoko Jesse na hye no. One here abeka say AI, but it wasn't. Nkofo ne tena ne plan pa. And omobobo we na edem. Nti the quality no. Jibo na no hye. But then no say nya sunlight san be kan wa coach ni coach training grounds no. Hwɛ the quality of the video. This is a video obi owo into content creation bi anim so upload video esote. The guy says sote ne quality no sote. Inti say sote na we download na na sote tin kakra. So I can imagine the size of this video. E wo nipa na or ye any piece no so. Just look at this. This is solid. I had background no. Oh, and you were my mount to Kotoko just not tenase. You were starting so kasana. The storyline, no? The video was telling the storyline whilst he was speaking, which syncs with what he's saying. I think say those behind this deserve applause. And here idea about what you was studying me. I've always been aggressive on the communication team because I feel say the kind of attention the more pressure for any other. I'm not saying the whole year, but if you invest little or communication with the brands anymore, remember the visibility of the club
Yeah.
and on family Bramba time crying that storyline around South Africa versus Ghana, how we infuse the old video, this movement, the slow motion, at the bar see and net training so this is solid. Do baby I say at the end when you clear so this is not Kotoko secretariat. But say Kotoko kra kwaji apartment kra no dey ya dibo need deserve so kwaji men can say Kotoko ji apartment but I'm just saying because and the boys ni bi ehun say meeting bi wa wo kwa so wa ko hang car 500 c's na dey be meeting na better than so the boat be ko because what the car no corner park si wo na ni pani hia wa wo demand no kra no the way you appeared wo ho na nkasa kra ma utimi achieve wo demand and that is a good start from the Kotoko media team.
Okay.
The BC and the training ground. The training ground is not at its best of state.
Yeah.
But also one angle no try from a lower angle upwards to avoid the pitch. I want the na oton. Into you na maybe catch us say wako park no say park no. Enye engina akutwabra. Into one angle no mucha no. We no much ma pitch na but blare. Into green banko zoomi park no so na odi twa nipa na ase a ebi akabaka say Kotoko pitch ni. That is what Brandon calls for. But the quality of the video. Oh nipa no I say as we jina ho no mucha.
Okay.
Yeah, but so and what I will say is that board na sha see them omo enduru baby. Also say season in starting here mbo na next cano communication for ne pay the mom. They started season here bobo no pe. Na afi ehia sky ade afi no mbetwetwe mo no. You best sure say mom mfa ade ni bimba.
Okay.
And you're consistent no more with the materials they did. Now,
last one.
Chama Solom come on no. Nibo. I think say we live in an era. I had a DCBT full interview. And you don't blame anybody. The content creators take advantage of that. Between a truck caption on a story no currentesa. But that is the duty because they say nipa attention span in so you need attention for 2 hours, 3 hours. In case you are checking most social media platforms, it is created in such a way that you need a hook to sustain the person for at least a minute. So be show video about 3 minutes and you market well. Because the phone or pen time they are the for you don't blame people when it comes to full videos not being able to watch the whole thing. But if you critically listen to Chairman Sulu from the beginning to the end, I think the narrative will become very different. This is somebody who emphasizes the powers lies in the hands of the board. And Ubia board say and the board has the right to appoint the person. That's the first thing. Number two, a supporters chairman and the amount that the board is spending. He says, so finding ways on the and they are not going to allow anybody to be a distraction to the board. Then a question concerning the return of management was asked. I don't say, so be a Kotoko Ejuma somebody. From so be anyone. Isn't it a matter of fact, Kotoko board members in Jibo? So Makwaba. And your monami. So it tells the story he's never against. So be a Kotoko Ejuma back. That's the first caveat. The second one is one kasanipan. So only say a bra free club we ye BBT club na. Onu a team change. Name say wow carry hu na hu say we ye bibi sa ye the more amenje. I think this cuts everything short. Etwa bibi aso. Enta me meti we. Na mu ni say e ma me Kotoko adwuma na mu ni say infum so bia ni me ho a emani use the example of a radio did say e ko didi we radio ni mu a so fu na bia wo ani ba wo hu obi abone ti e katum say wa wo bedi no So when him say why a bonia pe baby tina. So what I say. But so who be dinner him say boni mu na wo ye boni ene woni nyame na enya. And he emphasized that the club no Kuroran say e ye bosom. In say why ade tia bosom na wa ba be didi won na ase pen no. Say akwanya saba na wo san betene mu ana ene woni ne na enya. Enti afutu kwan so no say wo bibi sa na. Don't come. Why are we pointing fingers?
0322
because one he did not mention anybody's name.
494401032494771. And
you know, so your supporters, you now share supporters. They will ask questions concerning trending issues.
By looking at the news, the positive news I will preach around the club. Send them to avoid the question.
I see the full interview. He said it. Said everybody is welcomed. But why was showing who? This is not the case on the baby be at Yahoo. Not the better with your wife.
Yantuaso.
Boss,
Danger. It is World Cup year you. And now all celebrating third place now. Some of biggest achievement after 1966.
Yeah, third place.
Okay, England one was almost celebrating.
Yeah. On say in the how set target goals and ambitions for yourself. Then you work to achieve it. At every stage biano we evaluate we evaluations in area we say okay, I'm on the path to achieve my set goals. No, you do a celebrate to convince yourself, say you've done or you have put yourself on the path to achieve your set goals. No, and it appears to me say friends saying England are on the path to one day soon, and I mean very soon, to finally break that jinx and once again win the World Cup. And the new generation, no, Hurricane may be going, but Billingham and Saga and all those guys, you know, that build upon this, okay. And then it says still a certain hunger also in them to want to do more.
Yanko de also videos from Asante Kotoko on preseason na ashase no.
Yeah.
Asem na Saturday na branch ne kan no o coach na wadi serious o
medibia ma visa say
wadi serious brutal it means ba for kasana no betimi the video no atoso Asante Kotoko preseason ene ashase yanko
tino visa. Yeah, this is it. Until coach arriving from the car now storming AJ Sports Complex. Now we'll take a stroll on the land. At least if you have a feel of that, you know, not just say we say ne whistle than come, we say whistle that a coach come pen, not just say you must start it.
Yeah.
Now I say you must start it, you know. Preseason has kick started on almost so fixing almost technological things, you know, to capture images. Now more the aboa say ni na no be boa in terms of analysis near the ade. Enti players now started air running no. Enti Kotoko preseason, you know, afiasie. You know,
Emra so go stars one now so foreigner.
Yeah,
as their new coach. It's a Heart of Lions so Mia Minia Panini Kasim from Turkey.
Yeah.
On so or member of table 5. Or a member of your table.
Turkey or Tigana na table 5 Ghana for the corner.
There be a to or a member. The location in me and if you so near from the cost near Bafum and Kasim a member, registered member, I will try to do.
Wow.
You don't want to make my appointment,
boss. The original, and I say what we heard, Senka, the preseason would have commenced in Accra and Kabe Kumasino. MSND and Yan Kobanesa. The decision is that I'm say the progress work at Adokuja enough for the preseason to start. Kumasi and who images na a good TV Neswa. I'm for him. So that's nice. And this is the way you should go. But I want to plead with Mpeninfono, Kotoko Mpeninfono, minim whose job it is. Senebeya through the communication team, no. At least there should be a clear lines of the way the preseason arrangement. Yet hey, offer club biya or your preseason elsewhere. There are clear timelines and a week way first part of preseason that is say second part that is say the Bob of Orlando Pirates able to a friendly match and then play another friendly match on Wednesday. Clear now will be way more ball to say how we it's meaning now a part of you ship up enthusiasm and excitement around the club. Send a season before the season commences. No, now build a certain taste in the supporters to draw them. And you don't do it in a certain cover. Yes, I know. We na the betray na afi na ase akono no emma ntem. So in the preseason you use the build the akono e defecting no. Into we say obi o supporter of club bia especially you follow European clubs yi. Ube say omo na no Manchester na Wrexham na me hu say obi pay na Manchester na Wrexham match no friends I don't friends link be na menya kra dia hebie you want to follow your club even the preseason
and no betua
of course you want to follow the club even the preseason to know the echo so send e be shape up excitement e be shape up enthusiasm e build a certain taste e build a certain ibi I say na afi enti mesrem penifo no you must there at least obunfia say communicate clear lines clear arrangement program no na supporters no and so that the supporters will be in sync with it. So the supporters will know at this point, this is the how Kotoko preseason is going. Say about the friendly match, be crowd or no more. Now say they say there's a way link be na supporters in the monitor. Trust me, people will watch. Especially Kotoko supporters what I'm on it, they will watch. And you know, mesre, and you say be na say or you perform kwatite baby na.
Just preseason games number bono. Finding way the generate iska. Club.
The whole preseason program no should be communicated to the supporters, including friendly matches, no, so that a bit media may per se Kotoko use preseason no, and they build up excitement, enthusiasm, which will be the basis to draw the supporters to the stadium. And more be a Emre. Obi a also mobilize support base no. Say we born as hakwana so I mom so adwuma emre. If things are done in the covers ana me supporters ko kasa me who me ka kire wo mo. And I draw the excitement. These are the discussions we should make. These are things that Kotoko should be interested in. These are things that Kotoko should be talking about. These are the things that Kotoko. These are the things. No we no stand necessary. Oh say the energy has to come. When we let energy come to discuss them to find a way to lead the discussion. Put them there where we are in a money who will be social media snappers of it and they put it together and they day.
I say a club no social media.
I mean because in the money
but say club no so available for the supporters.
Oh, we are
supporter of the club. To say Manchester they are okay. Manchester be announce so website. Social media page. To say they discuss this here can once Kotoko na dia to the social media page. Which the supporters is be access. A feel
exactly the point of preseason. As a minimum I can't say but me can say say when the supporters are in sync with data, at any given time, they are one time myself copy BB actually copy BB. That's the point I'm saying. Until I make us say, we know whose job it is, but somebody should be able to communicate these things to the supporters.
Okay.
So, boss, also what am I saying?
Matthias,
the progress work also that say
yeah.
So we have the current board. Each of them, the three of them, plus the former board members, contributed. 2,000 I think $2,000 or a certain amount of money. I will look for it previously to start that work now. A course now NTB completing no. So one opportunity about now. So they will not look at it say and rottle away just like that. And see, it's good that they are seeing to it to say at least it's come back to life so that it's very useful to the club.
Okay. My enters were Benjamin Samates member say Obed so. Samates announced say former coach at the Vision FC Nana Ajiman Nana Kweku Ajiman. She's only a new coach at the Emma Samates. na omo release na omo say the decision was influenced by Ajimai's coaching philosophy and long-term vision, which closely align with the direction of the summer test project. Nti omo say Ura Kwaku Ajimai na ni swadi hu se do fu se eye se coaching esiko no omo summer test etena esi din omo se omo so se do mbe so omo si ye club no eso omo di Ajimai ba omo wedding no awa tu enyoma ekoso kama ntine summer test new coach Nana Kwaku Ajimai, former coach Edema Vision FC. Mediama se Cote d'Ivoire lak wo danger man. Se last year mufi wo ba ya mko preseason ba ya no beji league. Nti omusa do woni chire Cote d'Ivoire. Nti Mediama Sporting Club coach ni din edi Ibrahim Tanko eda no omu se omu preseason omu ekoye no Cote d'Ivoire omo kuru kese ani din de Abidjan ho na mo ko boabom for league 2026-2027 season and afi CAF Champions League omo ebekwa akugina ho ede amagana mame
kakra bi on what Solo is supposed to have said. Number 1, Solo on ka say obi be adwuma na me obi mpako no ma me adwuma. At least I've listened to the audio. Kotoko board the always say almost the sole prerogative to appoint whoever they think they want to appoint, and that is a preserve, a right. It solely lies with them, and I want to encourage them or urge them, say whoever they think they want to work with, they should appoint. It does not also preclude, say, Obi better share the opinion with you on whoever they also appoint, and nobody reserve the right to say nobody can comment on Obi appointment. That must also be stated clearly. Number 2, Solo, the statement, anybody can put whatever spin to it, but let's put it this way: se wo be sum Kotoko ana woko na se ampa se we ye bibi ti Kotoko a se wo conscience, must you even think of coming back? Must you even think, say, if indeed say no cry, say wo sum we no break because Kotoko no wo sum 1 million years, one day you will leave. Wo di ho ubenya nkofo mbeka papa fa ubenya nkofo mbeka bonya fa ho, and that is life. Yet way President Mahama and then nkofo cancer papa no is nkofo cancer boni fa no ho. Okay, we di pa de ubenya wo mbeka papa fa ho, we di pa de ubenya wo mbeka bonya fa ho. Na mom se wo sum wi a wo attitude, wo conduct, wo behavior, and that's what happens moving forward next time. Until now yet hey so obi ma that is the principle of the board. But so we nipa na say when the opportunity abesom na we feel say we bibia, and until so give us all ebia obi catch say so rabo asumesi na obintin bin, all these names that is being bandied around, it is even not fair to those people. Why we even do that to those people? Because for all you know, people are not saying Pakona. Sani Pano has he even done anything? So why are we even linking it to that person? Are we even being fair to that person?
Okay.
When probably the person has even done no wrong.
Mate, Denyaman.
And you know, I think say we can discuss it, yes, but not stray into areas. Now, Faye, you create a certain thing around the person. By the time of Bebano, I say you're hitting the person against people that we should not.
Medasi Denjaman Alex Siamamintiwe Denja Kwaba Ibiabo Kode Nele 1 pound or elite. Okay, Amintiwe.
Obani Medasi na upset. Many are some our canona. I invite you to say Mukakra.
Okay, Adriana Bassint or say Adriana ba the message biaba or say Zakito Onya Kwada, did you watch Kofi Abri play? Masa Oya Kwada.
First of all, peace must prevail in the Asante Kotoko. There should be absolute peace now with the Juma.
Asumdwe.
Na ema team no epeja nti anopa na me refer to the Kotoko coach go through last season. Are they going to give us the replica of that same problem, or with the new administration a call for new energy? Normally Juma. One now like Asante Kotoko new management need to that of us. And now as I say, so what can't someone has supporters no has this a some in few not omoye. I think in few you too strong a word. Seminar man tells you, yeah.
Only the rights now demand for.
Maybe the approach they still have maybe the approach. And also sometimes except Obia it's like a big company. There's a division of labor. And so Obia concentrate to a need there. Not meaning now at the effectiveness, any progress ever. But just what I say. Where supporters anyone Juma. Now all time a feel Juma acquire the as management here becomes a problem. But the supporters Juma effectively at any point in time. No board or management will come to a team like Kotoko or has no sideline supporters. When the supporters are doing their work effectively, not say board will be Baba Kotoko now has a say. Yeah. Without recourse to the supporters, you do it. It will not work. It doesn't matter who can war. So what I was saying is that Chairman Solo and some now or that's what can you know. Yes, we all can your reason or the council. But we need to analyze as a say the part. And the air cost war Chairman Solo every what or the yes as every all of us every can you privy to nothing or you perceive who
Ebi so I want to.
Ebi so anti ba can. So he's not living in a vacuum.
Ebi so adi onimu so nim.
Maybe when him ba oka the corner. Say because all living in a vacuum. You bet me. For example, say obi a past management member na wajina baby a super Asante Kotoko. Na say oh can. But the click of me phone ye. Yes striker akojina baby eko so and so radio me for the panye. Now we pass can see Asante Kotoko. And the striker is back. It's a matter of me both near shim na bo sa statement now kan you know. E be yaba.
Enye ni nyina na benya.
E be na so do no be exist.
Enye ni nyina.
E friend say.
Say o tia o kase. Enye wo nsem nyina waka na wa adwuma mu ha since abai no bi ko bo obenya.
Maybe that's maybe true.
So tell me.
Ba do na dey.
E bi so wa na ye kokko mu nkomo.
Because kokko in most cases, so kokko mu nkomo ebe yesa argument we are obi na obetie wo. Fa no so kokko bo chema oba ni. O say striker na o fan no. Me ni ko di nkomo kan say without recording without anything no aka che na board chema no. Enso aye no ne mo bi so ye fa striker hu say the striker no effective for juma me na e question so onye no. Uko kan watie wo.
Ebi so a woni ni di nkomo na ebi o wa dance die.
The name of the game is evident. And Americano. What provided then hardcore evidence that was the Nipa way ampa when Kotoko and one being Papa that's what can I say ya. And the Ignan never kept your match solo the stands no. That's the Nipa you through because say I didn't right in it. But on to be fast but remember that Papa will lies and Mekasa say striker I say